Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. This week we're answering the question, does my home insurance cover solar panels? And the short answer to that question is yes, it should. As a matter of fact, across the United States, in most places, it should be very easy for you to add solar panels onto your existing homeowner's insurance policy. And if you look at your insurance policy on the first few pages, there's a section called the declarations page. And on the declarations page, you'll usually see like two sections of coverages. There'll be maybe one for property coverage and the other one for liability coverage. And within the property coverage section, there's something called coverage A. And coverage A is another name for dwelling coverage. And so when you buy the solar panels for your roof, you're going to be adding them to coverage A. And that's a very standard thing. Most insurance companies get it. They understand that solar is a big thing now. So most insurance companies should have no problem with adding the solar panels onto your existing insurance policy. Now, you should expect to see a slight increase in the cost of your property insurance because the insurance carrier is going to look at the total value of your dwelling coverage and take the total replacement cost, or what it would cost to rebuild the whole property in the event of a complete loss. And a lot of people sometimes make the mistake of thinking, well, my house is only worth, say somebody's house is worth $500,000, $500,000 on the market, but it would cost $750,000 to rebuild it in today's market with supply chain issues and contractors having more work than they know what to do with in a lot of places across the US. And so insurance rates are going up. And so when you look at the value of your dwelling coverage, it's usually going to be the cost to replace, to rebuild your house in a total loss. And so if you add solar panels onto your house, especially if they're a high-end solar panel, maybe the ones that look like a roof, a shingled material, like the very aesthetically pleasing, that's set Tesla solar roof, looks amazing. And it's also very expensive. So if that was lost in a total loss, you'd have to pay to have that system reinstalled, and it would obviously add value to your house if you resold it. So that's why you should expect to see a slight increase in the premium that you pay for your insurance when you add your solar panels onto your insurance policy. Now, if you are leasing a solar system, you should not expect to have to pay for the property insurance for a solar system that you don't own. So when you lease a solar system or you do like a PPA structure, you don't actually own that system. That system is going to be owned by the solar company or the solar investor that's putting the system on your house until you agree to buy the system. You've paid it off in full, and then it becomes your property. And at that point, you would add the value of the solar system onto your property as your own first-party property coverage under coverage A, the dwelling coverage. So that's it. Basically, it should be very easy for you to add property insurance for your solar panels onto your homeowner's insurance policy. So solar panels should be covered by your home insurance, and it really shouldn't be anything too controversial in most parts of the country. I have seen some stories that maybe in places like Florida or places that are right on the coast where there's a lot of hurricane weather issues, you may find exclusions in your insurance policy for things like hurricane coverage. And usually they won't be covered for things like flood. But anyway, read your insurance policy and reach out to your insurance broker to make sure that they fully explain everything to you so you understand in plain English what is covered and what is not covered. So that's it. Hope this has been useful. And if you have questions about anything related to your insurance, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below. So thanks again, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.